Here she is. Good morning, darling. Good morning. Good morning. She's just finished her breakfast of champions, which included, hello darling, her antibiotics and her painkillers. So, and she's been very pushy this morning, so I would suggest we're back up to fine fettle, and the painkillers should be helping with any bruising and anything that's a bit ouchy, and we are treating the cuts and abrasions, and it's just a case of healing. And now she's trying to get out because that's what Mo's like. Okay, Missy Moo? Okay? Oh, she's a good girl.